Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a Samsung 55-inch 4K TV. In this video I'll be going over the stats, build quality, ease of use, the different apps, the picture quality, all in 4K by the way if you have the capability to view it as such, and last but not least give my final verdict on this beast of a TV. I've had it for a few months now and I thought it'd be a great time to review it. Let's crack on with the review. I ordered it via Amazon and it was delivered within a week, so top notch there. It's quite big though, so 2 people delivered it and I would suggest you get help mounting it on the wall and not to do it on your own if you plan to put it on your wall. It all came well packaged though and nothing was damaged. You get a base to stand it on as well as the normal stuff you would expect, such as remote control, the audio bits and the manuals. The back of the TV is pretty smooth with all your ports being on the right hand side of the TV in a vertical row, and just over from it towards the edge of the TV is the power button, volume control and channel control. Before we delve into the meat and gravy of this TV, I'm just going to run off a few of the specs for you. The display obviously is 4K Ultra HD with an LED screen. Display size obviously is 55 inches or depending on what model you get. It weighs in at 16 kgs and you can hook it up via the Ethernet or the Wi-Fi. The remote control is a pretty standard one with your normal buttons such as power, source, volume control and numbers. The only thing that I would like really is a dedicated Netflix button like my previous control had. The battery cover on the back slides off with ease, perhaps a little bit too easy, but overall nothing major here and it's a pretty standard remote control. So coming up in a second you'll have a quick sample of the sound and what the menu interface looks like. It's quite smooth and I'm quite impressed.
Describes your style of special cuddle, that is the question that Chris and I had to ask today in Bangers. Thanks for that theme. That was 21 Partners by the way, and right before that Rita Ora and Anywhere. Hello, Matt here, in for Scott today. Bangers next, and Imagine Dragons on the way. Travis Scott first, this is Butterfly Effect.
So the sound wasn't too bad, and now let's crack on with the apps the TV comes with. You get quite a lot of apps already installed such as Netflix, Amazon Video, BBC iPlayer if you're in England, ITV iPlayer and stuff like that. You can also click on this apps button here and you will go straight into the apps. This is where you can all download all your stuff and Bob's your uncle. Haven't really tinkered around with it this much because the majority of the apps I actually use such as Netflix and Amazon and BBC iPlayer and all that sort of stuff is already on the favourites bar. But everything's pretty easy to get to, such as YouTube. And speaking of YouTube, let's go in there now and have a look at it. It shows you there just how to do your remote control and stuff like that. Now the actual keyboard interface is quite finicky to start off with until you get used to it, but it's not that much of a learning curve to be honest. You just click on one and then it does like an auto predict thing where you can choose the next letter. You just scroll off of it to come out of that little predictive thing. But once you get used to it, it's pretty good. In regards to the app speeds and the actual TV itself loading up, I found it to be very quick. I was actually quite surprised at how quick everything loaded up to be honest. So yeah, definitely top marks there from me on the speed of apps and the load up time of the TV. I think it takes around 2 to 3 seconds for it to actually boot up power wise and then around 10 seconds for everything to load in. So absolutely awesome. It's better than some computers I've seen. In regards to the picture quality, in my personal opinion, I think it's awesome. It's the best picture I've seen in my life to be honest. Granted I haven't seen many 4K pictures, but yeah, it's very good. This video can't really do it justice how it looks like in real life towards your eyes. But this video is in 4K and I am now playing on the screen a 4K trailer for you all. So this is probably the best you'll see on YouTube to be honest, unless someone's using like a proper DSLR HD camera with 4K recording on it. So I've had this television now for a few months and I can't say I've had many crashes or any software problems, to be honest. We've had to power cycle it once or twice, but that was just due to internet connectivity sort of thing. So on the software front, it's been very stable. Now you've had a good look at the TV and the stats and everything, let's go to my final verdict of this beast. So after having it a few months and giving it a good going over, what is my final verdict of this TV? Well, the software stability is very good, the speeds are awesome, the picture quality is amazing, and for the price, which I got off Amazon for around £700 at the time, I think it's really good. You can't really go wrong, to be honest. The app selection is fluid, you get an amazing selection of applications as well. The settings are very straightforward and the actual setup of the TV was really simple and anyone can really do it. The only trouble I did have was mounting it onto the wall, and that was a bit of a palaver because we had the wrong screws for the mounting bracket, but that's a whole nother issue with another product, so I can't really blame it on that front. Overall, I think it's a great product and it's definitely worth a buy. I'll leave a affiliate link down below so if you click on that link, you'll help me out, you'll help the channel out, and you can get the TV via that link. I'm hoping this video has helped you out, folks, in deciding whether you want to buy this TV or not. Be sure to check out my other videos on my channel and click sub down below for more videos. I also do a fat loss series, so if you want to join me on that journey, feel free. We also do gaming videos and other things such as that. Be sure to hit that thumbs up down below if it has helped you out, folks. Until next time, take care, I'll see you in the next video.